Okay, here we go. I'm outside the blizzard of February 2010, and the snow is still coming down. It is, oh heck, I don't even know what time it is. It's around noon on Saturday. And it's still snowing. The truck and the car are covered in snow. Oh, let me see if I can walk around the truck and get, if I can get to it, the tape measure. First, I guess I'll get some of the snow off of here. This is on the side of the truck. Ridiculous. There we go. See if we can get the scraper and scrape some of this stuff off of here. This is really thick, heavy, wet snow. That's really nasty. And I need to get into my toolbox, but it's too heavy to open it with all this darn snow on it. Oh boy, this is snowball snow too. Look at that. Thick. Oh, although some of the stuff on top is powdery snow. Yeah, and the wind is blowing. Look at this mess. Walk back around the other side. Get this snow off. I knew I should have put a tarp over it last night, but I didn't. Well, back around yet again through the driving snow. Get my fingers to work. I'll get my tape measure. Let's see how much snow we got. Looks like right at 13 inches here. But of course, there's drifts. And this would be a great hill to snowboard or ski or sled down. Until you got to the bottom and hit that darn tree. One with the big red X on it. Alright. I've had enough. Oh, crap.
Push all this over there so you can push it.
You're just gonna dig everybody out, aren't you? All you have to do is go back upstairs. Elvis and Oreo will keep you company.
That's how you get the action.
That's true. Everybody's trying to dig out. Some kids are over here making a snow fort in all the snow. How far down in there can you get? Go in. Oh my gosh. Looking like a little polar bear down there. Smile, you're on candid camera. It's got a camera right in the bridge of it. So I'm taking videotape. Have fun. It didn't bother the tunnel when he came pushed it up, huh?
Nothing. It's actually better for us because then we have more.
It's all heavy and wet, compact. Wow. Keep on digging. These trees are just gonna buckle. Pretty though. This is normally level with the ground here. As you can see, it's probably up to my thighs if I stepped in there, if I could. Of course, this is all dug out. Go through the walkway. And this has been dug out. Marty brought the snowblower through. And of course, where does he blow it? That sidewalk. That sidewalk. That one not so much. There is a sidewalk here, believe it or not. But as you can see, it's blocked by a tree. Isn't that pretty? Duck around that bad boy. This is where I tried to walk through a minute ago. And still the snow is coming. This is not drifting snow. Ah.